Understanding the benefits of mindful eating. In a fast-paced world dominated by convenience foods and constant distractions, the practice of mindful eating has emerged as a powerful tool for improving mental and physical health. Mindful eating, rooted in the principles of mindfulness and meditation, encourages individuals to focus on the present moment and develop a deeper awareness of their eating habits, sensations, and emotional responses to food. This article explores the psychological and physiological benefits of mindful eating, its impact on eating disorders, and practical steps for incorporating this practice into daily life. The concept of mindful eating. Mindful eating involves paying full attention to the experience of eating and drinking, both inside and outside the body. This practice is about noticing the colors, smells, textures, flavors, temperatures, and even the sounds of our food. It also involves becoming aware of the mind's responses to these stimuli and how different foods affect our bodies. Psychological benefits of mindful eating. Improved relationship with food. One of the primary psychological benefits of mindful eating is an improved relationship with food. Many individuals have complicated relationships with food, often characterized by guilt, anxiety, or emotional eating. Mindful eating helps to break these negative cycles by encouraging a non-judgmental awareness of thoughts and feelings associated with food. This practice fosters a positive and healthy relationship with eating, free from the emotional turmoil that often accompanies dieting and weight concerns. Enhanced emotional regulation. Mindful eating has been shown to enhance emotional regulation, a crucial aspect of psychological well-being. By bringing attention to the present moment and recognizing emotional triggers for overeating or unhealthy eating patterns, individuals can develop better coping strategies. This awareness allows for more conscious choices, reducing the likelihood of emotional eating and promoting healthier eating behaviors. Reduced stress and anxiety. Practicing mindfulness in eating can also reduce stress and anxiety levels. The act of slowing down and paying attention to the eating process can be calming and centering. It provides a break from the rush and pressures of daily life, allowing individuals to reconnect with their bodies and their needs. This relaxation response can lower cortisol levels, the body's primary stress hormone, and create a sense of peace and tranquility. Physiological benefits of mindful eating. Better digestion. When individuals eat mindfully, they are more likely to chew their food thoroughly and eat at a slower pace. This can lead to better digestion, as the process of breaking down food begins in the mouth. Proper chewing increases saliva production, which contains enzymes that aid in digestion. Eating slowly also gives the stomach time to signal to the brain that it is full, reducing the likelihood of overeating. Weight management. Mindful eating can be a valuable tool for weight management. By paying attention to hunger and fullness cues, individuals are less likely to overeat. Mindful eating encourages smaller portion sizes and slower eating, which can lead to reduced calorie intake. Additionally, the practice helps people make healthier food choices, as they become more attuned to how different foods make them feel physically and emotionally. Improved metabolic health. There is evidence to suggest that mindful eating can improve metabolic health. Studies have shown that mindfulness practices can lower blood pressure, improve cholesterol levels, and regulate blood sugar levels. These benefits are likely due to the combination of reduced stress and healthier eating habits promoted by mindful eating. Impact on eating disorders. Mindful eating has shown promise in the treatment and management of eating disorders, such as binge eating disorder, anorexia nervosa, and bulimia nervosa. By fostering a non-judgmental awareness of eating behaviors and the emotions surrounding them, mindful eating can help individuals break free from disordered eating patterns. It promotes a sense of control and self-compassion, which are essential for recovery. Binge eating disorder. For individuals with binge eating disorder, mindful eating can help by increasing awareness of the triggers and emotions that lead to binge episodes. This awareness allows for the development of healthier coping strategies and a reduction in the frequency and intensity of binge eating episodes. Anorexia nervosa and bulimia nervosa. In the case of anorexia nervosa and bulimia nervosa, mindful eating can assist in normalizing eating patterns and reducing the cycle of restriction and purging. It helps individuals tune into their body's needs and hunger signals, promoting a healthier approach to food and eating. Practical steps for incorporating mindful eating. Incorporating mindful eating into daily life involves several practical steps. 1. Set intentions. Begin by setting an intention to eat mindfully. This could involve committing to eating without distractions, such as turning off the TV or putting away the phone during meals. 2. Slow down. Take the time to eat slowly, savoring each bite. Chew thoroughly and pay attention to the textures and flavors of the food. 3. Listen to your body. Tune into your body's hunger and fullness cues. Eat when you are hungry and stop when you are comfortably full. 4. Engage your senses. Use all your senses to fully experience your food. Notice the colors, smells, and textures, and appreciate the effort that went into preparing the meal. 5. Reflect on your eating experience. After eating, take a moment to reflect on the experience. Notice how the food made you feel and any emotions that arose during the meal. Mindful eating offers a range of psychological and physiological benefits, from improving the relationship with food to enhancing emotional regulation and reducing stress. It supports better digestion, weight management, and metabolic health. Moreover, it can play a significant role in the treatment and management of eating disorders. By incorporating mindful eating practices into daily life, individuals can foster a healthier, more balanced approach to food and eating, ultimately leading to improved overall well-being. Please let us know how you felt about the presented article. Your feedback is important to us. Also share this useful video to as many useful people as possible. Don't forget to follow our page for the latest information related to psychology. See you here soon with a new topic. Thanks for now.